This is a quick video. Teresa just bought one of the draw cords, and I'd forgotten the number 3 is a little different than the number 5 on installation. She showed me a picture, and on the side of the spring drum, it is a small screw that holds the draw cord in. Let's go through that procedure here. I like to tip it over so I can get a good angle on things. All right, so here's the screw that goes in it, and it goes right there. Take the cord, set it in there, get the screw in, if it all works. It's never easy, but it does work eventually, so. It's just a booger to get that cord in, and then to be able to maneuver the screw. Okay. And then, before you tighten it up, just pull that cord enough so that knot is settled in that slot pretty well. Now we have the draw cord installed. It's pointing the right direction, so let's tip it up. Hopefully nothing falls off this machine. It's got a few loose pieces. All right, so now with the cord around the spring drum, 2 and 3. And we'll attach it on the catch. There we go. Put the carriage back on. You have to be a little careful with these 3s. The rails, they don't guide on as easily as the 5s and the 9s. Everything's a little bit trickier. So there you go. And it's working as it should. Well, I hope this helps.